everyone, welcome to Stitch in Heaven, your block of the month headquarters. My name's Amy and I get to show you today one of my favorite things. It has to do with Halloween, which is one of my favorite holidays. This is our Halloween block of the month that's starting, and if you signed up, I'm excited. I get to show you what you're going to be getting in your month one package. Okay guys, Halloween's one of my favorite holidays. So this is by Pen and Proper. The designer's name is Vickie Higley, and the actual quilt name is Beware, It's Halloween. Okay, it is adorable applique quilt, and we've already done all the hard work for you by pre-cutting your shapes and putting fusible on the back for them. So you just have to pop them right out there and sew them together. In your month one, you're going to be making these adorable candy corns, and they've got patchy backgrounds of like black and white, okay? And you're going to be making 8 of those in your month one. So let's look at our pattern first, and then I'll show you a few other things. So on the front of your pattern, it shows you this adorable Halloween quilt. I mean, the border has freaking bats on it, and it's got scary and beware and applique on it. So gorgeous quilt. And then you're going to look, it's going to give you full color pictures of each of the applique blocks that you're going to be making. That is a beautiful thing. And look, there's your candy corn right there. Going to make 8 of them. So it goes through all the adorable Halloween applique blocks. Then it gives you some general instructions. A couple of pages worth there. And then you're going to go into your month one block and how to sew it together. Like I said, you're going to be making 8 of these candy corn blocks. It gives you the instructions. We provided the stuff for you. You're just going to sew the candy corns together and then do your background 4 square patch. Okay. Look at this cute Halloween fabric. We've got spideys and checks and stripes and more bats. And then we have also provided your applique embroidery floss and some cute beads to make it flashy. And here's your welcome letter, guys. It's going to be the name of the quilt on the front, Beware, It's Halloween. It's going to tell you the name or the date that it's going to mail out to you, how long the program is. This one's 13-month, guys, and it does include your backing fabric. You're going to have a beautiful Halloween completed quilt this time next year. You just need to get some batting to quilt it together, and it'll be perfect. I love our full color picture here on the inside. It gives you a reference to go back to and a goal to work towards. We have some QR codes on the inside over here for you guys. The first one is our Facebook group. We strongly encourage you to sign up for our Facebook group. It's a fun time. You all get to share your pictures and your tips and your tricks with each other, and you can comment us there. We'll comment you back. We'll communicate with you there if anything changes for your program. Stay in the know, be in the Facebook group. Then you have a fabric key that's going to give you reference for your fabrics. QR code there online, so if you ever need help with that, that's where you can go to find that. This one is to subscribe to our newsletter. That way you know any fun new upcoming bombs or even other things that Stitch in Heaven does here. We do retreats, we do cruises, we have lots of fun stuff, classes even here that you can come and join us. We'd love to have you here. We love our customers, seeing you guys and interacting. If you can come visit us, we would love it. The last one's pretty important. If you need to update any information during the program, your phone number, your address, your credit card number, any of that kind of information, you can use that QR code there to do that. We also have a phone number on the back here for you. It gives you our store hours and our phone number and our email. If you call us or you email us, you're going to get a person that's going to get back with you, speak to you. It's not a machine. We pride ourselves on our customer service, and we're going to get you taken care of. All right, y'all, that is your month one package for Beware, It's Halloween. If you didn't get a chance to sign up for this bomb, don't worry. Head over to our stitchinheaven.com website. There's plenty of more adorable programs for you to sign up for. But I'm glad that you're here for this one if you signed up. All right, guys, I'll see you over on the Facebook page. And remember, stay spooky. Ooh.